Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Have you ever recorded a TikTok video and found out there is no sound? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access on TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Settings app. Then scroll downwards until you find TikTok app. And tap on it. On TikTok Allow Access page, tap on Microphone to turn the toggle bar on. Always remember that green toggle bar means on and grey toggle bar means off. So that is how you enable microphone access on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.